In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a photo book with Leonardo AI Desktop. To get started, open Leonardo AI in your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside the platform, head to the image section and click on Image to open the image generation area. This is where you'll be building the visuals for your photo book, so it's a good idea to get comfortable with this workspace before generating anything. Next, choose a highly versatile model. This matters because a flexible model gives you better consistency across a wide range of scenes, subjects, and compositions. Since a photo book usually includes multiple images that need to feel like they belong together, starting with the right model can make a big difference in the overall result. After that, fix the aspect ratio and stay with one ratio for the entire project. This is one of the easiest ways to make your photo book feel cohesive. If you're creating horizontal landscape style pages, use 16:9 or 4:3. If you want a portrait style book, go with 3:4. The key here is consistency. Changing ratios from image to image can make the finished book feel uneven and harder to lay out cleanly. Now type in your prompt. Be clear about the subject, setting, lighting, mood, and any visual details you want to appear. The more intentional your prompt is, the easier it will be to create images that support the same story or theme throughout the book. To stop your photo book from looking disjointed, choose a set of anchor words and paste them at the end of every single prompt you run for this project. This helps create a shared visual identity across all your images. For example, you might use Kodak Portra, 400 film, desaturated tones, moody shadows for a vintage and emotional look, or vibrant National Geographic style, sharp focus, bright natural sunlight for a travel or nature book. Once everything is set, click on Generate and begin creating your photo book images.